how to install games and apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, scroll down. So if you want to install games, so click on games. So after click on games, scroll down and search game from here. So after select game, click on game and click on install. So after click on install, you will see your game is download. So if you want to install apps, so click on apps. So select app and click on install. So you will see your app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install games and apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.